Hi guys, this is Kicker22004. I got a quick little video here on something I've been playing with lately, and I figured I'd share because I was looking on YouTube and there isn't a lot of people talking about it, and I think that it deserves more credit. It's called PiBakery. It's made from what I understand when I read the articles, was a 17-year-old programmer that needed a solution for having his Pi work in conventions when he needed to reset it up, and then he couldn't get into it because he didn't have a screen. But that's all. You can find this stuff on the internet. I just wanted to highlight the program. The program is amazing if you have a Pi, if you've ever fought with setting up your Wi-Fi or anything else, and especially when you don't have a screen like that situation. So we're going to go through it really quick here, and I'll highlight some of the things I like about it, which is most everything, and the things I dislike about it, which really I can just get to that right now. The dislike is I can't resize this window. Also can't full screen it, so that's kind of a pain in the butt, but it's really a minor inconvenience for all the things that this program offers. You can get it at PiBakery.org right here. You can download it, pick your Mac, Windows. Currently there's no Linux, though it does say that it's in the works, so I can't wait for that. But yeah, let's get started. First thing, the big things I like about it, it has import, which only works if you've used export. But for example, if you make a setup here, which we'll go through and we'll pick all these sorts of things here, and we'll set it up. So drag and drop, just like the Pi's, I think it's Sketch program, is drag and drop kind of block programming, which is really cool. So on first boot, you would pick kind of what you wanted to do. So on first boot, I like setting up a few packages that I use, so I'd throw those in here and name them. For example, like I use screen a lot, so I'll put in screen in there. You will have to have internet, so you will have to get your internet set up. Now, that's what is really convenient about this tool. If you know your Wi-Fi name, you put it here, so Wi-Fi, whatever your Wi-Fi name is, and then your password here. And you'll also have to know your encryption type. Most of the time anymore, it's WPA2 by default. I don't recommend WEP, but whatever. So after that, you can have it download files. So for example, if you're going to download a script from the internet, you can have it download that script and then later run that script. So really convenient here for things like my BSCC program and just random things that I kind of throw together. I can grab them down and install them through an installer script. Settings. I always change my password on the get-go, and I like to change my desktop options. This is my primary thing that I like about this, because if you've run Raspbian, which is what this uses, it'll log you into your desktop. And I don't use the desktop. I use console logged in, so I want it there every single time. And this makes it to where I don't have to worry about the desktop on the first boot. I don't have to worry about all the extra, stuff with that. It'll take me right here. Change your host name if you like changing your host name. Some standard cron jobs, and various other options that you can tweak and change to your likings. If you have a Pi Zero, this is a nice little setup too, because you can set it all up. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. Again, if you did download a script, you could have it run, my script right there, whatever your name of your script is, and pick the user you want to run it as. So really convenient to have. On every boot, you could also have it run that script. So. Oh yes, right-clicking gives you information about the blocks. So if you wanted it to run on every boot, you just do that. Simple as that. If you don't like it, get rid of it. Now, the convenient thing is you can export these things and save them. And that's nice for a couple of reasons. One, you don't have to worry about setting your Pi up every single time you do it. Two, you can share your save file with other users, and they can set their Pi up exactly like yours by simply importing it and picking yours. And I think this is really kind of cool, because for me, I build various things that required build essentials and a few libs. I think I was working with Piano Bar, and I wanted it set up every time instead of having to do a clean start. So I could name this backup, for example, Piano Bar, and it will set it up for my screen and pull down my scripts later on that'll run every single time to load the screen up with the Piano Bar information. So for me, this is ideal, and I really wanted to share it with you guys. I'm really happy that I've got some new subscribers, and people are generally interested in this sort of thing. So check this out. The first time you download it, it's going to take a while when you try to run it, because it's got to download the newest Raspbian. And it is the newest one with pixels, so if you want to play with that, you can. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you like this video, and we'll go ahead and send it on over. I won't make you wait, though. pick your drive, hit yes, that's it. When you're done, traditionally eject, unplug, plug in your Pi, give it some time to start up because it's got to resize the system on the first boot. So yeah, plug it in, power it up, 10 minutes, come back to it. You should be able to find your IP address in any of the normal ranges, check your router, anything like that. So yeah, this is Kicker22004. I hope you liked this. If you did, hit that thumbs up. That's how my videos get shared on YouTube, and I'm really happy to get some new viewers and new subscribers. And if you're new here and you like this or you like random things, hit the subscribe button. I've got some more things coming. I'm a little slow. I mean, I'm at home and I have a baby I got to watch, so I do what I can when I can, guys. I do have an update coming out for BSCC. Keep an eye out for that. Got some interesting things going on with it. And I did implement the new buttons feature, and I've got some other ideas for that as well coming up. So anyway, thank you for watching.